Hello, hello, hello guys! I'm back at may isi-share lang po ako sa inyo na mini vlog. So after namin magsimba sa The Antipolo Cathedral, diretso agad ang pamilya sa The Purple Love. Kasi we celebrate the 102 years old in heaven ni Nanay Vale. O, di ba close? So while waiting nga, abang wala pa po ang iba, so anong gagawin natin? Picture muna. So keep watching while we're doing the picture, and later on, mamaya i-reveal na natin ang mga iba't ibang potahe ng The Purple Love. Actually, this is not sponsored. So dito lang namin naisip mag-celebrate. As makikita nyo, napakaganda naman po talaga ng view at napaka-aesthetic ng lugar. So, medyo kompleto naman na lahat and the price is okay naman. Okay? Nag-review na tayo, no? Keep watching lang muna po ng mga pictures.
The world is rushing past us, chasing deadlines.
So, ayan guys, hindi lang pictures ang nakita nyo, pati mga videos. By the way, thank you nga pala sa mga staff ng Purple Love Cafe sa nag-video at nag-picture sa amin. Sorry, hindi ko nakuha yung name mo, pero pogi siya na payat. Yan, that day,
Chasing time, lost in the
Naku, hindi ko
future.
kilala sa manager. I-check nyo na lang kung sino naka-duty ng that time na pogi at payat ng May 31, 2026. Okay? So again, shout out sa kanya. Maraming salamat. And also sa lahat ng staff. Thank you so much. Very accommodating, friendly, and sila, naka-smile. Kahit utusan. Thank you.
Obsessed with the next climb. Look right here beside us. Just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure, shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio. A gentle, knowing glance, a quiet, peaceful glow. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors.
So guys, by the way, ito na yung some of the menu na in-orders namin. Meron kaming Caesar salad na napakasarap, ang healthy. Meron kaming calamares. Meron kaming sisig, kitang-kita naman umuusok. More on maatay pala siya. So far, so good. Masarap. Meron kaming sinigang. Surf and turf. Sinigang ang tawag sa kanya, pero sinigang na hipon. May mga pork belly kami. May rellenong talangka. Masarap. Yan yon. And of course, the cakes! Binuo namin as bilog, pero matikman namin lahat. May ube, custard, red velvet, ano pa ba yan? Chocolate mousse, and the other one, nakalimutan kong tanong. And then also, meron din kaming salmon, baked salmon na in-order. Meron din pong roast beef. Napakasarap at napakalambot. Ang sarap ng sauce. Sa Panaro, all in all, kung i-rate ko yung mga menu naman nila, dahil masarap, it's nasa, siguro hindi ko dahil natikman lahat eh. 8 out of 10. Ayun, pero masarap based sa mga natikman namin at nakalagay sa table namin. Okay? And guys, of course, the main event, the birthday songs. Let's sing!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Blow, blow, ate, blow. Happy birthday. That keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second. Let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments. We have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection.
Sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko. Mamang sorbetero,
And of course, bago matapos ang lahat at umalis kami dito sa Purple Love Cafe, hindi kami pwedeng hindi mag-iwan ng production number. Our TikTok. Oh, diba? Ang hahataw. One take lang yan.
hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo ako'y nabibi. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan. Hanggang sa huli.
Much later.
Tada! Okay, to be continued. The Gutierrez family, Gutierrez clan. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Mag-iwan ng bakas.